What I have now is an irrigation solution here called Canal Pro, which is a 5.25% irrigating solution. Now this is absolutely essential that your irrigating solution of hypo be 5.25%, and it's not less than that, because if you're using a diluted solution, remember you may irrigate for hours together, but you're actually doing nothing about the irrigation at all. It's just a completely wasted effort. Now why I like Canal Pro particularly here is because if you look at this, they've got this clip-on dispenser. Now what a syringe here, like we said, it's got a yellow tab on it, and I can just screw it in and I can extrude the hypo. So the advantage being that my hypo is not being exposed to light, and my hypo is in a completely sealed container, which means that it's not dissipating or it's not dissociating, and every time you're using your hypo, you know you got absolutely fresh batch of hypo.